we just launched the boat. It's a beautiful day. We just anchored. We're gonna get tied up before we start heading into a marina. We're gonna cast some shorelines, see if we can get some smallmouth, possibly a few largemouths as well. After we tie up, I'll whip the camera back out and we'll be fishing. Huh? I can't hear you. Why? I'll probably throw the chatterbait. Oh, it's a nice one. Right when you told me to stop throwing this. I'm gonna bring him on this side.
Hooked up, got out of the wind a little bit.
Look at that.
Oh, well, I guess I gotta eat my words.
Yeah, Austin's telling me to, sorry about this train noise in the background, but Austin's telling me quit throwing this pink worm around. Literally a half second after he says that, just felt a yank and pulled this bad boy out. It's pretty, full of spawn too, look at that. Big fish. Look at this is interesting. Look at these two black dots on it.
Nice solid fish, probably pushing 2 pounds, 16 inches.
First one of the day. We're gonna get her back.
You wanna get a picture?
Yeah, we can get a picture. Back down she goes. Let's get another one. This is what that first fish came on. Just a little Senko. We bit it off about 2 inches short, just on a little Texas rig. Simple as that.
We didn't catch one smallmouth out there, but we got one when we came in to try and catch largemouth. Interesting.
Largemouth?
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Austin's hooked up with his first fish of the day. Ooh, that's a nice fish.
That's a tank, actually. Called it again. Threw right on a log that we got back here. I say he might go 2, 2.5 maybe. You wanna weigh him real quick? Let's see what we got.
2.2. In between 2.2, 2.3.
A little over 2 pounds. I will take that in Wisconsin any day. Got those black spots on it, just like that other one. But yeah, let's get a release on this girl. Let's get her back. It's good stuff.
Found it.
Oh, dude, I wasn't even paying attention. I literally was not even paying attention. Yeah. I was literally looking at the film from the last fish.
Another nice largemouth, it looks like.
I didn't get the whole.
Look how chubby that is.
A little smaller. I literally was not paying attention when I caught that. Just looking at film from the last catch, but probably a little 1.5 maybe. Chunky
now.
Alright, let's put her back. Got a nice little mixed bag going. I think this is what it's gonna be like fishing. Oh, biggin, biggin, biggin. Nice one, nice one. He's swimming sideways. Oh, not a big one. No! Oh, I think it was a smallmouth. Right on the edge of that little grass pile. Bump it over some rocks. Yep. Yep. Stuck him good this time, smallie. Told you. I think it's time to switch to a jig, buddy.
Ooh, that's a nice fish. I think it's time for me to switch to a jig.
All right, nice smallie. It's my second species of the day. Such a pretty color. Bright golds, get them in the light a little bit. We're gonna go for an underwater release on this one?
Yeah.
All right, bet. All right, 1.5, going back. All right, so a little halfway update. We came off the main lake, kind of structure, we're fishing for smallies, so we came back in this channel. Looking for a largemouth, and we found both. Drew caught one on the pink Senko, just straight Texas rig, and then I've caught 3 or 4 now on and lost one on the black and blue jig. I think we're gonna switch out batteries in the GoPros, and then we're gonna get back at it.
Good smallie on right now. Another one on the pink Senko. Looks like a pretty good one. Yo. Oh, it's a big one. It's a tank.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
Oh, you. It's not that big.
Oh, come on.
We'll work on this just to grab it. Drew, another one on the pink
Senko's
Senko.
killing him. It's a nice chubby fish. Nice female. Make sure to get her back down there safely.
Go back down.
Soaked me and the camera.
Always got it. Yep. Largie, I think. Yep.
The boat flip.
That was dangerous. It was definitely bigger than I thought it was. Man, boys, fishing dirty water, there's nothing you can do better than black and blue. Make sure we don't crash into anything here. Another solid fish. Going back.
Boy. Another largemouth. Austin's got the largemouth down. I've only caught smallmouth today.
Another nice chunk. Make sure we don't crash into those rocks here. They're munching today. A little short, but definitely a little fatty. Still on the black and blue jig. Should go back. Shut up. Shut up. Back to back, are you kidding me?
Oh,
It's another small
pretty
one.
much doubled up. Gosh. Well, I was taking video of Austin's fish. I was hooked up with this guy the whole time. Turn around, my rod's doubled over.
Well, switch over to the big camera real quick, because as I was landing that, Drew went to go grab his rod. And hooked another
Lake flies
smaller.
in my face.
Get him on, he's bleeding. Get him unhooked quick.
He was a little rough going back, but he did okay. Alright, we just headed in right by the launch. We finished up on that smallmouth. I think we had about 7 or 8 fish today. I only caught smallmouth. Austin was the only one catching largemouth because he was using the jig, I was using a plastic, you know. And what a beautiful sunset. Look at that. A beautiful day for fishing. So yeah, we're gonna get the boat hooked up and I'll see you guys in the car. Alright, we're finally off the water. Today was for sure a success. Not bad for a short amount of time. Austin's gonna tell you a little bit about how we caught him and what we caught him on.
So what we're doing is we're working the this rocky shoreline. Had a little wood, a little bit of grass too, but the weeds aren't in yet, which is good. And we finally got some like solid weather. Just like the past week, it's been 65. The spring's had a lot of cold weather, lots of rain too, so the water hasn't really got to get warmed up yet. But it was about 65 today, which is pretty good. But yeah, we're pitching jigs, and Drew's throwing a pink Texas rig Senko up on rocks, and we're just kind of dragging them over rocks and waiting to feel that tick, and we start to see our line go, like move side to side or whatever, and we crack back into a few. Probably the biggest one was pushing 2.5, both the smallie and the largemouth. They're pretty good fish. But all in all, for like, what were we out, like 3 hours maybe? 3.5. It was pretty good day. So I'm excited to see what the season has to offer. It is good to be back.
Alright, so we'll see you guys next time, and remember to make a splash.